Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. And I think you've realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with, so the Google Assistant. But how to power off the phone? For that you need to long press next to the power button as well the volume down button. So long press these both buttons together and then you're here finally at the power menu. Just confirm on power off and again on power off and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll on here below the battery symbol so that you're here at the control center, and then you will see here as well the power off symbol. Just tap here and then here at the power off menu, just confirm twice and power off and the phone will turn off. But there's a way to set up the power button or the side button, as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. So let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, tap down here on the settings symbol. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features, and here you will find the point Side button. And here you can decide what should happen if you long press this side button. So actually we're having here the Google Assistant, but in the future we want to have the power off menu. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you're immediately at the power off menu. Just confirm on power off and again on power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.